Okay, so this is a sum of the series question, but it's quite an interesting one. Okay, so it says the sum of the first 48 terms in the arithmetic sequence. It's arithmetic series, right? So that means basically that the sum of the first 48, okay, and we're going to use the formula n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so the sum of the first 48 is 48 over 2 times 2a, because we don't know what a is, plus n minus 1, which is 47 times d. Now they tell us that is 4 times the sum of the first 36 terms. So that means that 48 over 2 times 2a plus 47d is equal to 4 times 36 over 2 times 2a plus 35d. Okay, so 48 over 2, that's 24, times 2a plus 47d equals 36 divided by 2 is 18, 4 times 18 is 74, times 2a plus 35d. Okay, so now I've got my two equations, and now what I need to do is expand this out and basically just so I've got a's and b's. So if I do this, I've got 24 times 2a, I've got 48a, 24 times 47, I've got 1128d, 74 times 2, so I've got 148a, and I've got 74 times 35, which is 2590d. Okay, well now I've got two unknowns, but I don't have two simultaneous equations because I don't have any values. So what I'm going to do is collect together all of those a's and b's. Sorry. There we go, quick arithmetic mistake. That should be 72. So that should be 144. Okay, right. So collect these together. So I've got 144a, and I'm subtracting 48. So I've got 96a plus I've got 2,590, take away 1,128. That's 1462d, and now that's equal to 0. Right, now how does this help me? Well, it says I've got to find the sum of the first 30 terms of this series. So again, let's do that. So sum of the first 30 terms is 30 over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1, which is 29d. Okay, right, so I've got to link these two up. This equation 1 has got to tell me something about equation 2. Well, how many 2's? I've got 2a here, and I've got 96a here. Right, so if I do 96 divided by 2, that gives me 48. And if I divide 1,000... Oh, no, hang on, right. I've got to change this, sorry. This should be 2,520. That should be 1392, right? Right, so that should be 1392. Okay, so if I divide 1392 by 48, that gives me 29. Right, so what I can do for equation 1, I can factorise it, because 48 is a common factor. So I can write this as 48 times 2a plus 29d. So all I've done is factorise that. But now I can compare this with my sum of 30. It says that 2a plus 29d, and I've got 2a plus 29d. Well, 48 times my bracket is 0. Well, 48 is definitely not 0. So that means that the bracket must be equal to 0. If that bracket is equal to 0, then this bracket is equal to 0. And that means that the sum of the first 30 terms is equal to 30 over 2, 15, times 0. And therefore, it's equal to 0. Okay, so it's a bit trickier, but all it is using this sum of the series equation. I hope that makes sense.